Hi, my name is Ankur Wariku, and I'm going to share my thoughts on I Was Wrong. Here's what I learned about life, money, and growth. Have you ever felt a little nudge inside you? A whisper pushing you towards something more? It's the call to live a life less ordinary, to chase dreams that seem impossible. That's the whisper of epic things. Ankur Wariku's book, Do Epic Shit, isn't just a title. It's a call to action for all of us. We live in a world that often tells us to play it safe. Don't aim too high, don't dream too big. But what if we challenged that story? What if we dared to believe in our own potential, even when it's scary? It's not about achieving some perfect version of success. It's about embracing the messy, beautiful journey of becoming the best version of ourselves. It's about finding the courage to step outside our comfort zones and chase the things that make our hearts sing. Are you ready to listen to that whisper? Are you ready to do epic shit? Let's embark on this journey together. Let's talk about failure, that F word we're all so afraid of. We're taught to avoid it, to be scared of it. But what if I told you failure isn't the opposite of success? What if it's actually a stepping stone? I've stumbled and fallen more times than I can count. Each time it hurt. I felt lost, unsure, like I'd messed everything up. But here's the thing about falling down. It gives you a chance to see things from a different angle. It teaches you resilience. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, to admit we don't have all the answers, we open ourselves up to learning and growth. We start to see failure not as an ending, but as a redirection. A chance to get up, dust ourselves off and say, okay, maybe not that way, but I'll find another way. So embrace your failures, learn from them, let them fuel your determination, because within every stumble lies the seed of your greatest comeback. So keep moving forward, and let your stumbles guide you to greatness. We often think of achieving our goals as a monumental effort, something that requires immense willpower and sacrifice. But the truth is, lasting change happens gradually, through the power of consistent habits. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the roof. You start with a solid foundation, brick by brick, day by day. What small habits can you incorporate into your daily life that will move you closer to your goals? Maybe it's reading for 30 minutes each day, practicing a skill, or simply taking a few moments for mindfulness. The key is consistency. It's about showing up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, even small actions, when repeated consistently, can create extraordinary results. Start small, start today, and watch how your small steps lead to giant leaps forward. Consistency is the key.
और हमारा round of enough people जो कि 5-6 साल पुराने हैं.
Section 5. Money, a tool, not a master. Money. It's a topic that can be loaded with stress, anxiety, and even shame. But it's important to remember that money is simply a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. Financial freedom doesn't mean being a millionaire, although that's okay too. It's about having the resources to live a life aligned with your values, to pursue your passions, and to have the freedom to say yes to opportunities that excite you. Define your financial goals. Create a budget that works for you. Save, invest, and don't be afraid to seek help from financial advisors who can guide you along the way. Remember, money is a renewable resource. It will flow in and out of your life. The key is to learn how to manage it wisely so it can help you live a life full of purpose and meaning. Make money work for you. Section 6. Looking inward. The journey of self-discovery. The most important journey you'll ever take is the journey within. It's about getting to know yourself on a deeper level. Your values, your strengths, your weaknesses, your passions. Self-awareness is a superpower. It allows us to make conscious decisions, set healthy boundaries, and cultivate deeper, more meaningful relationships. Dedicate time to introspection. Write your thoughts and feelings in a journal. Explore your creativity. Meditate. Connect with nature. The more you understand yourself, the more empowered you'll be to create a life that truly lights you up. Remember, you are a work in progress. Embrace the journey of self-discovery with curiosity and compassion. Take a deep breath and enjoy the process. Section 7. the gift of connection, relationships that shape us. We are wired for connection. Human beings are social creatures who thrive in community. The relationships we cultivate have the power to shape our lives in profound ways. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who inspire you to be your best self. Distance yourself from relationships that drain your energy or bring you down. Invest in your relationships. Be present for the people you care about. Practice empathy and compassion. And don't be afraid to be vulnerable and let people see the real you. Remember, the quality of your life is often a reflection of the quality of your relationships. Nurture them, cherish them, and allow them to enrich your life in countless ways. Section 8. Your epic journey begins now. This is your life, it's your story to write. What kind of story will you choose to tell? Will you play it safe and live a mediocre life? Or will you embrace the unknown, chase your dreams, and do epic shit? It's time to step into your power, embrace your vulnerabilities, cultivate healthy habits, build your dreams, master your finances, connect with your authentic self, and surround yourself with people who make you feel alive. The world is waiting for you to share your unique gifts. Your epic journey begins now. Ya casi llegamos al final de esta exploración y quiero que nos centremos en dos pilares fundamentales que a menudo se interponen entre nosotros y nuestras aventuras épicas, la perseverancia y la resiliencia. Imagínense esto: Ankur Warikoo, un exitoso emprendedor y orador motivacional, se enfrentó a innumerables rechazos antes de su primer gran logro. Él suele decir: el éxito no es definitivo, el fracaso no es fatal, lo que cuenta es el coraje para continuar. La perseverancia no se trata solo de trabajar duro, se trata de trabajar duro incluso cuando todo parece estar en tu contra. Se trata de esas noches largas y esas madrugadas, esos momentos en los que rendirse parece la opción más fácil. Pero recuerden, el camino hacia la grandeza nunca es fácil. Está lleno de obstáculos y contratiempos. Pero cada uno de ellos es un escalón que te moldea y te convierte en la persona capaz de lograr cosas épicas. Bueno, amigos, ya casi llegamos al final de este camino. Y recuerden que el último empujoncito siempre es el más difícil. Es en estos momentos de duda, de esos momentos en que uno piensa que ya no puede más, que se forja la verdadera perseverancia. Imagínense su meta, esa meta épica, ahí cerquita, casi la pueden tocar. Y que esa imagen les dé la fuerza para seguir adelante. No se rindan, porque los logros más extraordinarios nacen de los desafíos más grandes. Este viaje épico no se trata solo de llegar al destino, sino de la fuerza que construyen en el camino.